Assalamualaikum. So it's Jenna G. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be heading a little south of Trinidad into the South American continent, and we are going to Guyana because today we are going to be actually making egg balls. Now husband and I made a trip, I think it was like 2 years ago, I think, and we got to try some Guyanese food, you know, the Guyanese chicken curry, and the egg ball was something quite popular in Guyana and everybody loved it. So we were a little bit interested in seeing it, and basically it's just boiled eggs wrapped in cassava and they fry it. So we're going to be making that, and normally they enjoy it with, well, they call it mango sour, but in Trinidad we would call it mango chutney. So let's see how we're going to be making egg balls today. And just remember, so the normal recipe for the egg ball would be salt, black pepper, cassava, a little bit of butter, some egg, and they just wrap it around. But you know, us Chinese, we have to put a little extra something in everything. So I'm going to be using a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of fresh green seasoning in the cassava mix. So the first thing I'm going to do basically is put the cassava to boil, and I'm going to be adding the eggs to the pot as well. Now I'm going to be using 5 eggs in this recipe, but I have 3 already boiled, so I'm just going to be putting in 2, and I'm going to put a little bit of salt in the water. So we're going to check it because the egg will take less time than the cassava to cook, so we'll just remove the egg from the pot and we'll continue cooking the cassava until it's nice and soft or tender. So we have our cassava that's finished boiling there. I peeled the eggs, and to this I'm going to be adding some complete seasoning, some garlic powder, and of course, you know, we need some spice, so I'm going to be adding a little bit of cayenne pepper. This is some parsley and some Chadon beni that I just chopped up, so I'm going to be adding that to the cassava mixture. And we have some flour and 1 beaten egg here. So like I said, most of the recipes you would find is just use salt, black pepper with the cassava and wrap it around the egg. But I'm just putting my little Trini twist to it, so I hope you guys appreciate it. So I have the cassava, and all I'm going to be doing is just using a fork, and I'm going to be mashing it up. If you have a potato masher, either one would work. I think we need the potato masher. Much easier with this. So you're going to mash it up until it's nice and smooth. Remove any chunks. Don't want any big pieces or any stringy pieces in it. I'm going to add in the egg to this, but you can eliminate the egg or you can just give it an egg coating before you roll it in the flour. We're just going to add in the egg, and I'm also going to add in my chopped up Chadon beni and parsley, and the garlic powder, cayenne pepper, and some complete seasoning. This will have the salt in it, but of course, you know, you could give it a taste to make sure and add if you need to add. Just gonna mash everything all up. Like all these pieces, like stringy pieces, you don't want it, so remove it. Oh, this smells really, really good. So you want to try to get it as smooth as possible. Now this is still very hot, but let's see if we could work with it. Yeah, it's hot. So basically, I'm putting some in my hand, rolling it into a ball. I'm gonna get 5. Right, so we have our 5 there. So I'm gonna roll it into a ball. Now if your hands, you could put a little water on it so it wouldn't stick. So I've got my cassava ball here, and now you just want to flatten it out because you're going to put your egg in here like this, and you're just going to sort of mold it. It's not hard actually. You just roll it around, and we're just going to set it aside, and we're going to do all the others just like this. Look at how pretty. Alright, so the same thing we're going to do, roll it in the ball, make it easy, flatten it out, put in your egg, and you just mold it. So we've got our 5 egg balls, and all we're going to be doing is dusting it in some flour, and then we're going to be frying it. So just to show you all, I'm just going to be rolling it in the flour just like that, and we're just going to put it in the oil. So we're just frying it until it's nice and golden brown, just like this, and we're going to do the rest of them. And ta-da! We've got our egg balls. Guyanese egg ball with a little Trini twist to it. Alright guys, so you saw our egg balls are finished. Now you saw that it's not that difficult to make. It's pretty simple. And I just decided to add my little twist it by adding the cayenne pepper and the garlic powder with the little parsley and Chadon beni to the cassava when I was mixing it all up. But like I said, I just wanted to try the Guyanese egg ball recipe right here at home with a little Trini Twisted. When we visited Guyana, like I said, we tried it. It was really nice, and I thought, why not? Let's make it, especially since I do have a lot of Guyanese viewers. So guys, I hope you give this recipe a try out. I will cut it. Just wait for it to cool a little bit. I'll cut it so you guys can see what it looks like on the inside. I hope that you did enjoy the video. Give it a try. It's pretty delicious. And remember, you can have fun with the cassava outer layer. Add anything. Leave it as the salt and black pepper, either whichever one you want. You can experiment with it. So thanks so much as always for watching, guys. Hope you guys did like this. Give it a big thumbs up if you did like it. Share with all your friends and your family. Hit the subscribe button, of course, and also the bell notification button so you don't miss out on any of my videos. And leave a comment down below and let me know what other dishes I should give a try that's not Trini related. So comment down below, send me a message on Instagram. Either way, let me know which dish you think I should try. Thanks so much for watching, guys. So I'm just going to cut one to show you guys what it looks like. Check it out, guys. This is what the egg ball looks like on the inside. Pretty nice, right? See these strings? You want to try your best not to get them in, by the way. But, you know, just trying to do a quick video here. But when you're mashing your cassava, try your best not to get all these stringy parts in it.